Hey, what's up? I'm gonna show you how to play Prospect on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Now let's get started.
Capo on 6, E standard tuning.
The chords you're gonna need are A minor, E minor, and F. A minor goes open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. Open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. E minor, open, 2, 2, open, open, open. And F, open, open, 3, 2, 1, open. It sounds like this. With those chords, you'll play this rhythm. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.